Hello, today's tutorial we are going to learn how you can easily create SSH key in your Windows computer. First we need to generate the SSH key. For that we need to write SSH keygen, and then it's gonna ask some questions. You do not need to do anything, just press enter. And if you want to add the passphrase in here, you can do, but every time you have to add that when it asks for the passphrase. It gives you a little bit more security, but I think you can skip that. Just simply press enter and then press enter, and your SSH key has been generated successfully. Now if you go to the SSH folder, simply write this command, change directory cd and then till and then / then .ssh, then write ls. Now you can simply check your SSH key writing this command cat id_rsa .public. Here is your public key, and you can add that public key to your Git repository, the server where you would like to access your files, folders using the SSH. You can use this key in there. So I hope that helps. Thank you.